Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to transfer your Pi coins from your Pi network wallet to your OKX account. So simply follow these steps. Obtain your OKX Pi deposit address, open your OKX app and log into your account from here. Navigate to the deposit section. Search for Pi and select it as a cryptocurrency to deposit. Now follow the prompts to generate your unique Pi deposit address. Initiate the transfer from your Pi wallet. First, open your Pi browser and access your Pi wallet. Enter your passphrase to unlock the wallet. Now select the options to send or transfer tokens. Now simply manually enter the OKX Pi deposit address you have obtained earlier. Enter the Pi amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Now the important fact which you have to consider is that double check the deposit address to ensure that correct before confirming the transfer. Be aware of any transaction fees or minimum deposit amounts imposed by OKX. Transfer may take some time to process. Monitor your OKX account for the uploaded balance. If you encounter any issues during the transfer, consult OKX app support center and contact their customer service for assistance. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.